Hello and welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. I'm Yashash here, a team lead here at OnceHub, and today in this video, I'll show you how to set up booking notifications for a team member like a sales manager's assistant, even if they aren't currently a part of your OnceHub account. For example, your assistant might want to keep a track of all bookings for the sales team. With notifications, they'll know immediately when a new booking is scheduled, helping the team stay organized and on top of every meeting without missing any of them. So, since the sales assistant is not yet a part of your OneSub account, the first step would be to add them as a user on your OneSub account. And don't worry, this comes at no extra cost. So, let's quickly jump into it and see how exactly it is done. So log into your OneSub account, click on the gear icon on the top right, select users. You can click on add users on the top right, mention the email address, name, and select the role. To receive notifications, the user can be on any role, but they would be required to be added as an editor on a booking page for which you would want the notifications to be delivered to them. So once you enter the details, just follow the on-screen instructions, and once the user signs in using the invitation link, they would be shown up in the users list. So for this video, I would be taking Paul admin as the user for whom we would be sending notifications to. So simply click on the blue calendar icon on the left which says booking pages, and it will take you to the booking page scheduling setup. Once you are on the page, simply select the booking page for which you would want the notifications to be received from. Select the booking page, and on the right side, you see an option for editors. Simply click, and under the editors tab, you can select the relevant added user and just hit save. Once it is done, just hover over to user notifications from the same booking page settings, and as the page opens up, you simply need to select the added user to receive the booking confirmation emails. So as you can see, you would just need to check this box and hit save. There are different scenarios for which the user can be opted in to receive notifications. So depending upon your use case, you can simply opt in for the different scenarios. And that's how easy it is to bring an external team member into the loop so that everything can stay on track. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.